Welcome to my YouTube channel Motivation Marvel, where we explore the power of setting goals and achieving them. Today, we'll discuss 8 easy ways to select your goal and make it a reality. First, let's start by understanding your passions and interests. Take a moment to reflect on what truly excites you and brings you joy. Next, consider your strengths and skills. What are you naturally good at? Focus on leveraging your unique talents to achieve your goals. Now, let's talk about setting smart goals. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. To stay motivated, break your big goal into smaller milestones. Celebrate each achievement along the way, and keep pushing forward. Surround yourself with positive and supportive people who believe in your dreams. Their encouragement will fuel your determination. Embrace failure as a stepping stone to success. Learn from your mistakes, adapt, and keep moving forward with resilience. Visualize your success and believe in yourself. Your mindset plays a crucial role in achieving your goals. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more motivational videos.